Can you explain to the committee and the country why you believe that the current evidence does not support the articles of impeachment today?
Well, at the moment, these are allegations, and there is some credible evidence there that is the basis of the allegations.
But I understand that, and I'm not questioning that. I'm questioning what you don't think today, if you were going to vote, if this was the case, you would vote no, correct?
On this evidence, certainly, because the inquiry...
Okay, and my question is, if someone said to you, okay, Mr. Turley, why are you voting not to impeach President Biden based on this evidence? Where do you think the evidence is lacking? Where does it not rise to the level where you think it needs to be? What are the places that you think is missing?
Well, I said in my testimony that the key here that the committee has to drill down on is whether they can establish a linkage with the influence peddling, which is a form of corruption, and the president, whether he had knowledge, whether he participated, whether he encouraged it. We simply don't know, and we don't even know if this was an illusion or not. But you can't find the answers to that. I mean, the back end of these financial transactions, which I have read is where the committee's going, may shed light on that. But without that type of nexus, then no, I don't.
And currently it's your testimony that that nexus has not been established, correct?
No, I think that's the purpose of the inquiry, yes, that's correct.
Would you agree with, have you read Ken Buck's op-ed in the Washington Post, where he basically was one of the Republicans, which is why I think it'd be a lopsided vote against an inquiry, saying that that evidence doesn't exist?
I did, and I respect members of both parties that can stand alone. He has his reasons for that. I personally think that the threshold for an inquiry has been surpassed, that you have a duty to inquire as to these allegations. But that's not presupposing what you're going to find.
Just to summarize then, it's your formal recommendation to the Speaker to have a vote on the inquiry, and it is also your testimony today that today you would vote no on impeachment on the current evidence.
Yeah, when Speaker Pelosi took this step, I gave the same advice, that I think it's a best practice to go to the floor.